This is the ProTool Sill Brush. This brush comes with 3 layers, not 1 or 2 trims, but 3 layers to this brush. It's got a nice outside green bristle that's gonna really open up and get into those corners. The largest layer on the bottom is gonna be able to get down and into the sills nice and easily. So if you're worried about getting to the sills at the bottom of the glass, you've got this contour right here. These bristles really open up to get to that sills. Then you've got this second layer in here. This is what would be normally on a dual layer brush or a dual trim brush. This is going to give you superior rinsing on the glass on that bottom layer. And then in the center channel, you got a really stiff bristle that's going to give you the best scrubbing power on the flat panel itself. It's got 4 jets across the middle up here on the top section. That's going to give you a lot of water to the glass. So if you have a high output system or a high flow cart, that pairs nicely with this brush, give you lots of water to the glass, speed up the rinsing, and allow you to rinse quickly and efficiently. So if you've got large panes or a commercial job, you're gonna be able to speed those jobs up nicely. Even if you're doing residential, you're gonna be able to quickly rinse all of those windows on that residential job. Lastly, it comes with a square lock adapter, so it's gonna work great if you've got a ProTool carbon fiber pull or a Gardner pull that has that square lock adapter. It's not gonna rotate on the glass on you, it's gonna stay nice and secure. This is the ProTool Sill Brush.